Today we are making the bear ear hair clips. I don't know why that's so hard for me to say, but it is. If you missed part one, make sure you go check it out after this video to make yourself the bear face mask to go along with the ears. Alright, let's get started. For this DIY, you will need some hair clips, felt, your mini easy press, heat transfer vinyl, a basic sewing kit, stuffing, and of course your Cricut. The first step is to draw out the bear ear. I say ear because you really can just duplicate it to make two of them instead of drawing them both out. I duplicated it 3 more times to create the full look of the bear's ear. However, I'm not going to cut out the felt using the Cricut. I cut it out by hand just because I found it a little bit easier. So this was mainly just to see how big I needed it to be. After you press make it, there's a few things to note. You are going to want to mirror your vinyl, so go ahead and switch on that mirror. It's not really that important for the ears if you forget it, but for future projects it will be, so just get in the habit of it. For iron-on glitter, go ahead and go to more materials and type in glitter, select glitter iron-on, and this is also where you can change the pressure. If your blade is dull or if it's super sharp, you can use less pressure as well. I'm just using it on default though. Go ahead and take your glitter iron-on and place it down onto your mat. If you're also using a scrap piece, make sure to watch out for the grids. Make sure you have a big enough piece. And let's start cutting. Flip the mat over to peel off your material in order to keep it from wrinkling. Cut off the excess material to be used for another project. Start weeding the ears and cut down the middle to cut the ears apart so that they can be applied to 2 different sections. Go ahead and take your felt, fold it in half, and line up the ears where you want it. Remember, these are going to be 3D, so you want to have enough room around them. But press it single, so you don't want to have it folded when you press it. Wait for the vinyl to cool, and then go ahead and peel off the backing. Fold your felt over in half, making sure that you have enough room on the bottom as well as the sides, and cut it out so that you have your 2 ears. Alright, go ahead and sew around your ear. I already did one, but I'm going to show you how I did it with the second one. You can either do a whip stitch all the way around, which is what I did with the first one, or you can fold in the raw edges and sew around it so that it's more of a clean look. The key to the fold over method is obviously using a lot of pens. And then once you do that, all you need to do is thread your needle and sew around where you've prepped your fabric. So it's pretty simple and easy to do, and yeah. Also, don't forget to leave a little opening at the end before you completely close it off. That way you can stuff the ear. To finish off the ears, you will need a glue gun and your 2 clips. All you need to do is glue down the clips to the ear and make sure not to burn your fingers. It can be really challenging. So I enlisted my sister for some help with this because she is the queen of the glue gun in our house. Also, you could sew the inside if you have clips like these to the ear, depending on your preference. I preferred to hot glue it just because it was a lot easier and cleaner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you in the next one. Alright, bye!